Poor Rebeca was rescued by Anna Lucileia, Trindade, Azevedo and Stray Dog Support Inc. A few days ago, Anna reached out in tears asking for help with a dog who she had rescued 3 months ago with a large wound and face full of maggots. The poor girl had stopped eating, was lethargic and unable to stand or get up and had diarrhea. With no funds to take her to the vet, all she could do was try to comfort her and watch her slowly die. Seeing Rebeca in such a terrible condition, and Anna absolutely helpless, I told her to get her to the hospital immediately as she was near death by that time. Upon arrival, she was put on an IV and multiple tests were done including blood work and an ultrasound. Rebeca was diagnosed with Pyometra, which had caused an infection in her uterus, and she was in serious condition. With no time to waste, she had to undergo emergency surgery to remove the infected uterus and ovaries. Rebeca made it through the surgery, but because of the severity, she needed to remain in hospital. Currently Rebeca is listed as serious as she is suffering from not only the post-surgery recovery, but a generalized infection and blood parasite. She is unable to eat on her own, so has to be fed by a feeding tube. We are day by day right now, and we need as much love as we can get. For now, please send your thoughts for Rebeca. Please support for Stray Dog Support Inc.